Today I'm going to be doing an internal dissection or anatomy of the Ascaris specimen for male and female. Starting with common structures. This is the mouth anteriorly. It leads into the pharynx, which is a muscular organ that pumps the food into the intestine. The intestine moves the food through the body through only when body movement, like when the organism moves. It doesn't have any encircling muscles. But the intestine leads down into the rectum for both organisms, as we can see, both male and female. But yeah, the anus is the first time we see a difference between male and female. The rectum empties into the anus. This is where it's excreted. The males actually have this thing called a cloaca. This is a common cavity at the end of the digestive and reproductive tracts. Here we can see spicules that are actually barbs that come out, and they're like prongs that latch into the female during reproduction. But we can see that the rectum is here, the anus empties this cloaca, common cavity, but the ejaculatory duct is the beginning of the male reproductive tract. This is where the sperm is released. But if we follow it up, this is the seminal vesicle. This is what stores the sperm, and then if we travel that up, the vas deferens. This is what transports the sperm from the testes, where it is created. On the female side, we have ovaries. This is where the eggs are formed. But following this up, we see the oviducts. This is just to transport the eggs from the ovaries into these two uteri, which are this Y-shaped structure. This is where the eggs are fertilized. This is where the sperm meets the egg. How does the sperm get into the female? Through this genital pore. We can see it's marked by the pinch in the cuticle, and basically this latches onto the female right here. The sperm is ejected into the female at the genital pore, entering the vagina right here, traveling down into the uteri, where fertilization happens. Thank you so much.